Start. Hey guys. Look here. Let's go and see what Naira eats. It's evening, it's 7 p.m. Let's see what she likes to eat. What do you want to eat? Oding? Oding? Oding Mugoyo? Okay, let's go to eat more oding. Come on. Let's go. Yes, oding. It's evening, little bit cold. This is cake shop Paris Pakati. This is means of transport, bus over here. People travel in bus over here mostly. Someday we'll take you in bus. We'll show you how we travel. This is private luxury bus for long distances. This is public transport. See their front opposite side. These are all junk food, Korean junk food. We'll buy right now. We'll see how Naira eats. Let's go. Senyo? Senyo? 안녕하세요. 이거 하나. 아, 네. 이거요. 네, 하나. Yay, we are eating oding. 감사합니다. Take, 먹어요. This is vegan. 감사합니다. 먹어요. Yay! Eat fast. Eat. It's hot. This is full market. This is a fish restaurant, you can say. You get all types of fish here. It's according to the weight. We don't eat so much of fish, that is why I won't able to show you from inside, but we'll try some out there. This is full market. It's called Gangnam Shizan. Shizan means market. It's a full market. I will give you a little survey from inside. We'll go. This is all food, street food. It's evening snacks. You get oding, some chicken stick. I don't know what is this. This is tteokbokki. It's a bit spicy. Tteokbokki. This is boiled corn. Not boiled, steam. Wait, I'll give you. She's having it. She loves eating this. This is actually made of fish and some type of flour. It's starting off market. It's called Gangnam Shizan. This is all fruit shops. Later on I'll show you how we shop, which shopping mart we go for buying groceries, fruits and veggies. This is full market. Kamsahamnida. She just said Naira is looking cute. She's a cute baby. Ipora. Ipora means very cute in Korean. This is all types of pickle and side dishes Korean eat with their meal. This is kimchi. This is gold shop. This is fruit shop. fruits and veggies. 안녕하세요. This is we'll show you some more. Sorry. This is meat shop, but it is not halal, so we don't buy anything from here. Meat we usually buy from halal shop. I'll take you someday to halal shop also. This is fish market. There are so many types of fish. It's quite expensive over here. This is fish. I don't know what types of fish are they, but there are many types of fish. This is full market. It's a Shizan. It's called Market Shizan. You get everything over here, from clothes to grocery to snacks, and everything you get here. Junk food, fish, meat. This is full market. Because of virus, it's getting closed at around 7 o'clock. 7 p.m. it gets closed. Eating Pororo chocolate. Pororo.
Hey guys, we did the channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my
Like the video.
Like the video.
Comment in the video.
And comment video.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.